Oh, you need that lemon garlic aioli. This is really good.
Today I'll be showing you how to make crispy potato wedges in the oven with a lemon garlic aioli sauce. These wedges are packed with flavor, fluffy on the inside, and perfect for dipping in this incredibly easy to make creamy garlic aioli. All you really need are some pantry staples, potatoes, seasonings, and mayo to make this.
Welcome back. My name is Daniel, a home cook who's passionate about food, here to show you simplified recipes that are easy to follow using common ingredients. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit subscribe and the notification bell for more delicious recipes that your friends and family will love. Now let's get started on these crispy potato wedges and the lemon garlic aioli sauce.
To start, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 2 teaspoons of powdered Parmesan cheese into a large bowl. I find powdered sticks better to the potato than fresh. Then add 1½ tablespoons of vegetable oil to the spice mixture and stir that all together. We are making this spice blend directly in the bowl that the potatoes will be tossed in, so we'll have less dishes to wash. Set that aside. Wash and scrub 2 medium to large sized russet potatoes really well, because we will be leaving the skins on. Make sure to get rid of all the dirt. You can use any potato here, but I find russets yield a very fluffy interior, which I love. Now cut them into wedges by first slicing the potato lengthwise in half. Then place them face down and cut at an angle into 3 or 4 wedges like I am doing here. I find this is the safest way to cut them into wedges, and depending on how large your potatoes are, 1 potato should yield 6 to 8 wedges. Separate your potatoes and look at them carefully for any dark spots. Remove any that you see with a knife. We don't want to eat those. Return your potatoes to the sink and run the potatoes under some water to rinse off the starch until the water comes out clear. Drain and toss them back onto your board to dry them as much as possible with a paper towel. The more moisture you can get rid of here, the crispier they will be at the end. Next, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now dump your dried potatoes into the spice mixture and toss to coat it very well. You can go ahead and add a little more oil if needed. You'll know it's ready when all of the white has turned a nice orange-red color from the spices. Then, place your potato wedges skin side down, cut side up on an aluminum or a parchment-lined baking sheet in a single layer. There is no need to additionally grease the pan. Spread the wedges out, leaving space in between each one so the hot air in the oven can circulate around it, crisping it up. Pour any remaining spice mixture over the potatoes because it's so full of flavor and we don't want to waste any of it. They are now ready to go into the oven. Bake them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for between 35 to 40 minutes, depending on how thick you cut your wedges. If you want them even crispier, leave them in for longer and or broil for the last 5 minutes. In the meantime, we'll start our super easy garlic aioli by squeezing 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, removing any seeds that might have dropped in, and mixing in 1 clove of minced fresh garlic. You only need 1 because fresh garlic is quite strong. I used a garlic crusher here for convenience, but you can certainly do this by hand. Then add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and give it a quick stir. Remember to add salt and pepper to taste. Give it another stir to combine and store it in the fridge for at least 15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. When the wedges are brown to your desired liking, remove them from the oven to let them cool slightly. Remember to check for doneness by piercing the largest wedge with a fork. They should pierce easily and be fork tender. Serve these potato wedges alongside the lemon garlic aioli sauce we made earlier, or anything else that you wish. And there you have it, crispy potato wedges with a soft and fluffy interior, dipped in a delicious garlic aioli sauce that is sure to have your mouth watering. I hope you enjoy.
All right, guys, it's time for the taste test. Now, these potato wedges look really, really good. They just came out of the oven and they're pretty hot right now. so I gotta be careful not to burn myself. I'm gonna go for the lemon garlic aioli in just a second, but just the potato on its own. Right, here we go. Oh man, yeah, it's so fluffy on the inside. And so flavorful. These are so good. This is really good. This combination of flavor works really well. All right, gonna test that lemon garlic aioli now. Here we go. Oh, you need that lemon garlic aioli. I mean, you don't really need it. The wedges taste amazing on its own already, but with that lemon garlic aioli, that just brings it to another level. Now, if you want these wedges even crispier, leave them in the oven for a little bit longer, or turn on the broil, because that's gonna get them nice and crispy. You can season them with whatever you like, and you can use a different sauce if you like, but this lemon garlic aioli sauce is so simple and easy to make. These wedges come together so quickly, you don't even have to peel them. They're terrific. I really hope you give these a try. They work really well as a side dish. You hear the crispy? I could have these every day. These are amazing. They're so soft and fluffy on the inside. They're gonna be so popular with your family and friends. So definitely try this out. They're so delicious. And as always, if you like this video, remember to give me a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below what sort of sauces you like to dip your potato wedges in. And remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more delicious recipes. I'll see everyone soon. Till next time, bye everyone.